guys. Para mag-tag the survey. Survey, yes. Okay, start na ta. This test is provided to test if you are qualified. Okay. So please be honest. Okay. Now, are you having a nice day? Yes. Have you look around? No. Then take a look around. Done. Yes, I'm done. Well, continue. Are you familiar with your surrounding? Dili. Oh, correct. Ano naman correct? You just woke up here. Oh, okay. Do you know where you are? Dili. No. Do you have any heart disease? No. But have you ever had a panic attack? Well, nakakatawa akong silipon. Kalanawa akong silipon. Do you believe in God? Yes. Do you believe in ghosts? Naman tinuod the ghost, guys, so yes na lang. Naman tinuod the ghost. Are you answering this question out of free will? Makubalo? No. Are you sure? No. You feel comfortable in your room? No. If the light went out, would you be scared? Dili. Bah. Ano mo na? Uy! Abli mo na. How you ever wondered when that will down? No. Are you scared of that open door? No lang. Isog. Have you looked around? Yes. Do you have any enemies? No. If you should live with me, say what? Yes, sing. Yes. Are you alone? I don't know. Have you looked out the windows? No. No. Wala man dala, so no na lang. You know the person standing behind you? No. Okay. Yeah. No. Do you believe there's a person? Yes. Is that enough for you? No. Okay. Do you want to end the survey now? No. I don't want. Really? Yes. I will ask you once again just to be sure. Okay. Do you really want to end the survey? No. Oh my God. Good choice. Okay. Then the survey will continue. Okay. Are you a brave person? No. Okay. Correct po. Because of that, you are not qualified. Wala hindi mo mag-qualified. Oh my God. Fine. Please leave that. Okay. Tanaw ito sa akin. Okay. Nagdag-floating. Mataan niya iki. Natas ta. Damo. Na-floating ta ka aking close. Sumaon na ito ang bedroom. Saman din. Please leave that. Usin na doon. Unsang po ni. Anong katari? Saman ni. Baluan ni. Kari ba niya? And that is my super. Nag-enjoy kayo sa video na ito. And don't forget to like and subscribe. At pwede nyo yung notification bell para ma-notify kayo if ma-avail ng ako video. So, bye mga guys. Have a nice day. Gamay na akong video karon.